Alright guys, in my truck today, we've got one sick, freaking sexy looking steering wheel here. I mean, look at that. This is gonna look so good in my 86 Ford. Also got some trash. And then we've got, so you get your steering wheel, this is a Grant steering wheel. Then you need the installation kit right here. I got this stuff on Amazon for super cheap. Got it all for under $100 because I bought open box. So if y'all go on old Amazon, you can definitely find good deals. This has a factory Ford 86 steering wheel. I believe what you're first supposed to do is take these two screws out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. First one's coming out. It's only two screws visible. Alright, I'll set that right here somewhere I won't lose it totally. Upgrading my steering wheel is because this one, it actually is in pretty dang good condition for what I've seen. But the leather on it is really bad. And that one's so much cooler looking. Alright guys, after taking those two screws out, you get to the big giant bolt. Now we just need to take this big giant nut off. Sometimes these will be really hard to get off. We're gonna grab an impact. We got this thing off. It comes off real easily. You just gotta take those three wires off. I don't know if my horn's still gonna work. We'll see. We're gonna try to make it work. If it doesn't, who cares? All right, installing this guy. Here we go. Okay, it came off really easy. Let's see if we can get this girl off here. So we found this little puller and we just screwed these two bolts in here, put the puller's little pin in there, and then just impacted it, and well, it came right off. The steering wheel is off. Now let's install the new one. Off to a bad start. So you put this little sleeve on first, is what the instruction says. Then we'll put the actual big metal piece on. Then it shows to put this post cover on, which we'll put there. Then you put your wheel on, the actual bolt, and then you do the contact plates, and then the horn cap and all that. Should be pretty simple. So let's try to do this. Alright guys, that broken wire I had to resolder a little bit. Finally got it to work. So I think now we are safe to install this thing. I guess you have to have the sleeve in here. They said to put it in there, so I'm going to put it in there. Post cover. Be real gentle with these wires. I was being pretty dang gentle, I thought, but not gentle enough apparently. You can see how this is turning out. Pretty sweet looking. Next we'll put the steering wheel on. Is what this says to do. So let's go ahead and do that. Like that. So now you need your original nut. Like that. Alright guys, it is somewhat done. Horn works. It looks really good. I don't know if this horn's gonna stay working. It seems to work and then not work. I don't know. It's weird. But we are still working out some kinks. It looks really good. It doesn't look bad. I think definitely way cooler than stock. If you've got an old Ford, any old vehicle, you should get one of these kits for it because it can really impress your girlfriend, I guess. One more thing done to the old 86. Look at them KO3s on there. Ooh, she is really turning out really special. I'm never, hopefully, ever gonna sell this truck. Finishing this thing almost. Next time I make a video about this, we're putting on the special coating stuff from Poppy's Patina, and this thing is going to be beautiful. We'll be waiting for that, and we'll also say everything we've done to this from junk to treasure. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you have a blessed day. Jesus loves you. I love you. And we'll see you in the freaking next one.